Alright, let's be real. Social media content creation feels like a full-time job because for many of us, it actually is. No matter how much you post, the algorithm is always hungry for more. But here's the good news. AI has completely changed the game. From generating content ideas to editing videos and even optimizing your post. There are AI tools that do the heavy lifting for you. So if you're a content creator, you're an entrepreneur, you're an influencer, or a social media manager, this video is about to make your life a whole lot easier. Hey there, I'm Grace and Learn with Barretho is here to help you grow. Whether you're looking to level up your digital content, master social media, or build a thriving online business, you're in the right place. If you're new here, you're welcome. And if you've been around, you already know. I'm happy that you're here again. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification so you never miss valuable tips to help you succeed. So let's get into it. We all know TikTok is fast-paced. Trends change by the hour, and you need to keep up. For sometimes, coming up with fresh ideas feels impossible. That's where ChatGPT and Claude AI comes in. These are your personal brainstorming assistants. If you need viral video ideas, scripts, captions, or hooks that grabs attention in the first 3 seconds, just ask and boom, instant inspiration from them. For example, if you run a fitness page and don't know what to post next, just type, "Give me 5 creative fitness challenges for TikTok that can go viral," and then instant content plan will be drafted for you. Claude AI is also amazing for long-form brainstorming and summarizing research. If you need engaging hooks or storytelling formats, it's a must try. Let's talk editing. We've all seen those fast-paced, engaging videos with zero dead air. The secret: AI editing tools. I'll be telling you about 3 AI editing tools. The first is Descript. This tool automatically removes filter words like and It heightens your video and even lets you overdub your voice. No more manual trimming, just upload your footage and Descript does the magic. The second tool is Opus Clip. Do you have long form content but want short viral clips? Opus Clip automatically finds the best moment and generates TikTok Reels ready clips with captions. And the third one is Runway ML. This tool takes video editing to the next level. Want to remove your background or change the lighting without a green screen? Runway ML's AI does it effortlessly. Moving on to Instagram, because let's be honest, aesthetics matters here. For perfect photos and reels, these tools will help you. Number 1 tool is Adobe Firefly. Ever taken the perfect photo only to have a random person rowing in the background? Firefly's AI lets you remove photo bumpers, trash cans, or anything else ruining your shots. The second one is CapCut AI Effects. TikTok's favorite editing tool is also perfect for Instagram Reels. Use its AI-powered templates, auto captions, and trending effects to keep your videos looking fresh. And again, we have Opus Clip because it's that good. It doesn't just work for TikTok, it repurposes YouTube videos into Reels, so you don't have to manually edit. Running a YouTube channel is no joke. You need SEO, strategy, and smart editing. Luckily, AI is here to help. The tools you can explore are vidIQ. This AI-powered YouTube coach helps you find the best keywords, A/B tests, thumbnails, optimize your titles, and even suggest what video topics will perform best. And the next one is TubeBuddy. This tool predicts your video's performance before you post and gives you real-time suggestions to rank higher in search results. If you're serious about growing your YouTube channel in 2025, these two are a must. And again, we have Runway ML. Do you want to make your YouTube videos look cinematic? Runway ML can automatically enhance colors, remove backgrounds, and even add cool AI effects. I hope these AI tools help you create more content in less time so you can focus on growing your brand instead of burning out. If you found this video helpful, kindly drop a comment below with your favorite tool, and don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps the channel, and if you want more content like this, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, because next week I've got another exciting video coming your way. See you then.